This whole thing gives whole new meaning to mascot. I need to Google human consumption of dog food. All right, I'm seeing spots. This is no time to burn out my retinas. It is really polluted today. My air purifier is really struggling right now. Yeah, my N95 masks are kind of coming to an end. They're all busting up. I wear them too much, but you know, there's this pandemic. The mountains are on fire around Chiang Mai. You can hear it in my voice. The pollution's really bad. I'm a little negative right now. It's just kind of disheartening to kind of like have this high level of pollution, which is very, very dangerous to your lungs. There's a pandemic that can affect your lungs if they're not in good working order. So I can't put on a happy face right now. As the day will progress, I'll probably get happier. I probably should reshoot this beginning when I'm in a better mood, but this is how I feel right now. All right, I need a freaking haircut. Oh, welcome to Bruno Unframed. I need a haircut. Yeah, so I hope you're doing well. In Chiang Mai, there's a curfew that was started last night from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. And yeah, I think just you can go out if there's like an emergency or something, but if you want to go out and get beer or get some Pringles, probably not allowed. But if it's a medical emergency, I think no problem. So today's video is just gonna be kind of a mishmash of stuff that's happened the past week. Yeah, I went shopping again yesterday. Yeah, just some shenanigans in my apartment, you know, just being kind of self-isolated. God, I wish I had a fish. I wonder if I can get a fish now. I don't think I can buy a fish. I have a cactus I could talk to. He has kind of a dry sense of humor. A couple of weeks ago, it feels like a couple of weeks ago, a couple of days ago, holy cow, it's only been 2 days since I had a beautiful picnic. I had a nice picnic. Okay, because I mentioned about the pollution being really high. It gets better in the evening, so I usually get some takeaway at a couple of restaurants, at like a Japanese restaurant or like this kind of normal Thai restaurant, and I take it to this abandoned parking lot, and I sit by a tree and kind of observe people socially distancing themselves from me and each other, and this is kind of nice getting outdoors. With that being said, let's jump right into the videos. Enjoy. Well, at least we got this going for us. This whole thing gives whole new meaning to mascot. All right, let's go to the store. Let's see what they have. Got a cart. I don't know how long I could be vlogging in here. Someone, oh, why is this all blocked off? Why is this all blocked off? I want to buy a Winnie the Pooh mug or... Yeah, it's like a little dispenser. I want to put hand sanitizer in those things. Why is this? Oh, there goes that indoor gym I was planning on starting up. Not too many people. Last week when I was here, just a couple hours later, and it was kind of like new into the whole thing. So I think people are a little more panic shopping. So, ooh. Huh. I wonder if this would be cost efficient. It's probably highly nutritious. I probably shouldn't be touching things. It's probably highly nutritious. It's probably really cheap. It's probably good for my teeth and my fur. I need to Google human consumption of dog food. What the hell? There are people yelling. Alright, big boy shopping. No beer, no candy, no chips, no snacks, food, cleaning supplies, hand soap, all that good stuff. Right. Yeah, all these places are closed. Electronic shops, shoes, probably a drugstore, they're open. Healthcare, whatever. Alright, try to restrain myself. I'm gonna buy one of those suits, man. I mean, you can't get any more protective than that. All right, this ought to be a real interesting ride home. I'm not that far away. I'll go slow. For some odd reason, there's not a lot of traffic for 12:30 p.m. on a Friday. All right, see you somewhere different. I just heard someone slam their door. Someone's leaving. Wonder who it is. Hear that? Wonder where they're going. I'm not wearing a shirt, and you don't want to know if I'm wearing pants. But I wonder who just left. I wonder where they're going. Ooh, the elevator's here. In my spare time, I've become a mixologist. Here's to your health, wealth, and good times. I just got some Dairy Queen. There's some dry ice in there. That's pretty cool. I dropped in some water. Ooh. I'm gonna go and have a picnic tonight. All right, I gotta pick up my picnic supplies. Need beverages. We're gonna have a picnic. Dish. Water. Sing. Okay, got the drinks. Now I need to get the food, the main course. And yes, I forgot my keys, my bike on purpose. Then for, it's one less thing I have to touch. Being sanitary is number one. I was going to get some barbecue meat and vegetables, but that place isn't open for another hour, so I'm getting some mango somtam. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful polluted sky tonight. Maybe polluted, but it is a sight to be seen. All right, I'm seeing spots. This is no time to burn out my retinas. Hiya. I want to see if my food's ready. Right now, this place would be pumping. There'd be a band right there. Bunch of people, nada. Yeah, this is taking forever, yo. I don't think I'm gonna have a picnic. I think it's gonna get dark soon. I don't want to sit out in the darkness by myself eating mango papaya salad and drinking a Sing and 7-Eleven water. Oh, it's here. Oh, a cup of my cup. All right, picnic of champions. Here, you know what? I found a perfect picnic spot. Right on this sidewalk on this old busted up tire. Nah, actually, let's go over here. We'll connect more with nature. We'll sit by a tree. I'm away from people. It's all good. Hiya. Okay, I got mango somtam. It has like fish sauce. Yep, it has asked them for no shrimp. There's shrimps on there, dried shrimps. Not a big fan of that. So there's mango, fish sauce, chilies. I don't know, bunch of crazy stuff. Got my beer and I got my water. I haven't been drinking much lately, but I had a taste for a spicy mango salad and a cold beer. So yeah, not gonna do it too much, but I think tonight will be okay. My kid just fell. His dad's coming. Or her dad. His or her dad's running. Hopefully the kid's okay. Yeah, she's alright. Yeah, they're alright. These kids are tough today. They're gonna have to be, man. The kid just almost fell over again. Alright, that kid, from what I'm seeing, not too impressed. I think I'm locked in too much. I'm sitting here at a park talking crap about a little kid who just fell off his bike. Actually, they're riding near me. I hope they know about social distancing. Back off. This kid's wearing a Michael Jordan jersey. Let him go. My mask, it smells like fish sauce and chilies. It doesn't smell good in here. I need to get home. My house is right down there. All right, well, that's the video. Pretty exciting stuff, but hey, what do you want for like a guy who's living alone, stuck in an apartment. I mean, there's not a ton going on. I mean, I do keep myself busy during the day. You know, I teach English online, work on these videos, trying to work on some other projects, but still just trying to get my head around, you know, what's going on. So it's kind of hard to start anything new. Yeah, so in the comments below, please, what do you do during these, you know, if you're like a solo person, what the heck do you do during the day? And if you're a family person or have a significant other or live with your parents, whatever, please let me know, how do you fill up your day? What are some like fun, healthy things to do? All right, so like I said, please comment below. Let me know how your self-quarantine is going in your country, in your household, in your life. I want to know. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, click that bell, get notifications when new stuff comes out. It's kind of weird. I noticed a couple weeks ago, my views were way up. It seems like now my channel is just, the views are really down. So are my subscribers. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if maybe I am a boring channel, or maybe YouTube's not promoting my stuff. Who knows? So with that being said, if you like this channel and you know other people that would like it too, please share with people. I'm happy with the subscribers I have now and the people who watch now, but I want to reach as many people as possible. If you want to send me a private message, click on the Instagram link down below. I got a really nice message from someone a couple days ago. Someone in Spain. Beautiful letter. Thank you. My heart goes out to you, and I really appreciate that letter, and I appreciate everyone who sends me some, messages on Instagram. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, no matter who you are or where you are, peace.